everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am starting with no makeup on because I am actually going to do a challenge. There's a lot of videos going around doing my makeup in alphabetical order. I thought it would be fun to do it in reverse alphabetical order, so if you'd like to know how that will go, then just keep on watching. Okay, so as I said, I thought it would be fun to do this challenge and do it a little bit different. So a lot of people are doing the alphabetical order. I thought I would do the reverse alphabetical order. So this is the order that I would normally do my makeup, but that doesn't matter now. And yeah, let's see how this will go. And I am definitely not the first person to do this. I really found very interesting the video by Sophie Louise, where she did her whole day and her makeup in alphabetical order. That was very fun. So let me grab my notes. Okay, so apparently I am starting by setting absolutely nothing. And I'm using the Primark Fix and Perfect setting spray. So at least this is very refreshing. And I'm now going to prime my face. And for that I'm using the Primark Vitamin Primer. I've actually chosen a lot of cheap products for this video because I thought it would be better for this kind of challenge. This primer, I actually really love it. Okay, and now this will probably go very wrong with the next products, but I am going to powder my face. And this is the Essence Mattifying Compact Powder. So this is really nice considering everyone says you shouldn't put cream on top of powders. And I am basically powdering my face right at the beginning. I'm really powdering all over. This looks very weird up close. Okay, so that is quite a bit of powder. Okay, so next to powder there is mascara, and I'm using the Revolution Amazing Volume. So I'm gonna have to do eyeshadow after mascara. That will be interesting. For this really cheap mascara, this is actually pretty nice. It separates them a lot and I really like that. This says it's an amazing volume mascara, but I think that really the separation bit is a lot nice. Not actually that volumizing, but I really like that separating effect. Okay, so my mascara is done, and next I have lipstick, which is very fun because mascara and lipstick is probably two of the last things I usually do. I'm using the Beauty Glazed Matte Liquid Lipstick in Dolce K. Okay, so I'm just letting this dry a little bit, and while this dries, next on my list I have highlighter. and that means I won't have any highlighter on by the end of this. That's not very good. Okay, so for highlighter, blush and bronzer, I'm using this Primark Havana face palette that I haven't been wearing a lot lately, and I think I will go for the gold highlighter. So I think I'll try to go a little bit heavy on this. Maybe it will get through the foundation, I don't know. And I usually do highlighter on my Cupid's bow, but I already have lipstick there. So I got highlighter on my lipstick, which doesn't look terribly bad. Okay, so now I got a little glow on the center of my lips. Yeah, this highlighter is really nice, it's very golden. And what's next? Okay, so yeah, I just put on highlighter and I'm gonna put foundation on top of it. I am using my Kiko Skin Tone foundation, and I think this will probably apply better with this sponge. I'm using 2 pumps of foundation, and this one has a kind of medium coverage, so I'm hoping we can still see a little bit of that highlighter. Yeah, probably not. Usually use the sponge on my lids, so now I have mascara on my under eyes, which is great. Okay, so yeah, the highlighter on the cheek, you can still see it a little bit, which is not bad, but I won't be able to powder, and I still have to do bronzer and blush on top of wet foundation. Yay! Okay, so I just wiped off that little bit of mascara that got on my under eyes, and next I have eyeshadow, and I'm going to use the Soph X Revolution eyeshadow palette, and I think I'll just do kind of a simple look. So as I just put foundation on my lids, I think I will try and set them, and I'm using the shade Pancakes all over the lid. If I don't get a lot of creasing. For my crease, I'm going to use the shade Tiramisu. Just dragging a little bit of it on my lid. On my outer corner, I'm gonna darken it up a little bit with the shade Danger. Getting a little bit of fallout from that mascara. Okay, so on my lower lash line, I'm just going to use the shade Tiramisu. This is kind of making the mascara flake a little bit. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't look that bad, I guess. And now on my lids, I'm gonna use the shade Festival Flame. a really pretty kind of reddish shimmer. And to highlight my inner corner and brow bone, I'm using the shade Fairy Lights. Okay, so yeah, my eyeshadow doesn't look really bad, but now I'm going to do eyeliner. And for that I'm using the Primark Liquid Eyeliner, which is actually very nice. Now, doing this on top of mascara can be really bad. Just trying to create kind of a small wing. Having my lashes already done is kind of making it a little bit hard. Okay, so it's not 100% perfect, but it's actually not bad. Now I'm going to do concealer, and I'm using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. Try not to get it too much on top of that inner corner highlight. Okay, and next to concealer, I'm going to do my brows, and I'm using the Primark 3-in-1 Brow Pencil. This one is a little bit too warm for me, but I don't have to leave the house today anyway, so... Yeah, this isn't exactly my shade, but I actually don't hate it. I don't think it looks that bad. It's just a little too light for me. And next to my brows, I'm gonna do bronzer and then blush, and then it will be done. So again, I am taking the Havana palette, and I'm using this color as a bronzer, and then I'll use the blush. And this one is kind of a little bit too dark and cool toned, so let's see how this goes on top of wet foundation. Oh my god. Blend. Okay, it's not that bad. Oh my god, oh my god. I'm really trying to be careful with this. This looks really bad. Oh my god. This is really bad. Okay. And finally, I'm gonna do blush. And I'm actually a little bit scared. Okay, it could be worse. This blush is actually really pretty. See, I'm smiling and this is creasing really bad. Okay, and I guess we still have a little bit of highlighter left. Okay, and yeah, so the blush was the final item on my list, and I can't set this face, I can't powder it, I can't use setting spray, so I guess this is the finished look. Let me know in the comments below if you think this was fun or if you think this was a mess or both. And if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe for new videos every Thursday and Sunday. I promise they won't be as silly as this, although it doesn't look that bad. I thought it would be worse, but yeah, that is everything for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!